Hello everyone, welcome in the session. Hello everyone, welcome in the session. Let's start the session. Today we are live, first time. Let's start the session. Hands on the heart. Atma Namaste everyone. Welcome in the session. And in the today's system, we are going to heal the aura. So everyone, welcome. Aura, what is aura? And how to heal the aura is the today's topic. What we can do, how we can heal, how we can seal the cracks and holes in the aura, and how does these holes created in the aura. So all these things we are going to discuss today, along with the healing the entire aura. So welcome all the beautiful souls. All the beautiful souls, welcome in the session. I salute the divinity in all of you. I myself, Pooja Jain. I am a soul teacher and certified healer and heal lots of people in my life. Practicing, conducting the regular live meditations online, offline, at the different places. We used to teach the healing courses how you can heal your physical, emotional, mental issues, and how you can learn to meditate, to raise your vibrations, to connect with the spirituality, to understand the spirituality all across the world. We used to teach the meditations and the healing courses. So, shall we start our session? Everyone, close your eyes, curl your tongue, and touch the palate. Everyone, touch the palate. Hands on the heart. Inhale, slowly hold. Exhale, slowly hold. Inhale, slowly hold your breath. Just relax. Relax yourself. Inhale slowly. Hold your breath. Shall we start the session? See all the beautiful souls. What is aura? Aura is a electromagnetic field in and around our physical body. It's a field where wavelengths works, frequency works. When our vibrational frequency is not aligned with higher world, with middle world, with lower world, with the entire universe and with the mother earth, then it creates the problem in our living being. The aura is comprises of multiple layers. Basically, there are seven major layers. That is, our physical body is our first innermost part, And outside the physical body, there is an first layer named as layer, etheric body, where all the physical and emotional issues lies. And after that, there is a emotional body, then it is mental body, then there is a causal body and buddhic body along with the anupada and adi. These are the major seven layers in the aura. And aura is comprises, these layers are running by the multiple chakras. There are 11 major chakras, then mini minor chakras, then mini chakras, and each cell is a chakra. Please understand the concept. So, all the chakras are going to be healed by these special nadis. We all knew about that. We have the spiritual god named as Sushmna Nadi, or we have the Ida god, Pingla god, Surya Nadi, Moon Nadis, and there are multiple nervous system in our body, right? These are along with the nadis they run. So three do our physical body get healed through organs and working on the organs, but our energy body is working on these chakras, meridians. Whenever there is any kind of problem, like we have lots of problems, what lots of issues in our life, lots of issues we used to face in our life, बहुत सारे इश्यूज होते हैं हमारी लाइफ में, राइट? सो ये इश्यूज जब हमारी नाड़ीज ठीक से काम नहीं करती हैं, when our glands are not working properly, we are land up into the multiple problems, whether physical, emotional, or mental. So in today's session, we are going to balance the upper root, the lower root, okay? We are going to balance the crown, the spiritual connection, and the basic chakra, where the root lies, where the root starts at the end of your spine, that is named as at the end of your coccyx. There is a chakra named as Muladhara chakra in Hindi. You can understand by basic chakra in English, in other theosophicals, right? So we have to understand, we all have to balance the spirituality along with the materialistic world. We have to balance the upper root and the lower root. These roots should be balanced. So, in today's session, we are going to heal the roots. Let's start. Shall we start? Hands on the heart. Close your eyes, everyone. Hands on the heart. So, let's start. Salutations to the Supreme Parabrahman. Salutations to the Universal Supreme Parabrahman. Curl your tongue, touch the palate. Salutations to the Supreme Parabrahman. Salutations to the Maxi Universal Parabrahman. Salutations to the Universal Parabrahman. Salutations to Lord Vishnu, Lord Savitur, the Solar Parabrahman. Salutations to Planetary Parabrahman. Feel all the planets. Salutations to the gods and goddesses. Repeat after me. I am the spirit of earth, the earth planet. Salutations to Lord Vishnu, God the Sun, God the power, provider of the love. Salutations to Ashtalakshmi, the prosperity gods and goddesses. Salutations to Lord Kubera, Lord Ganesha. Repeat mentally after me. Atma Namaste. 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 I, the soul, salute the divinity within you. I, the soul, recognize the spiritual teacher within you. I, the soul, I am super receptive, super conductive on all the levels to receive the divine energies and blessings coming from you, passing from you. I know you are the distributor of the wealth, good health, prosperity, success, abundance, love. We know that you are the divine soul. Thank you for blessing us at all the levels with a deeper degree and higher levels. The divine energies coming from the Supreme Parabrahman, passing to all the earth healing angels and healing ministers and all the beings. Be blessed with divine blessings, divine abundance, materially, financially, at all the levels. Feel the prosperity of good health. Feel the prosperity of good health, relationship, success in the life, in all the parts. We are blessed with obedient children, successful and multinational beings are living with us with divine oneness, illumination, spirituality at all the levels. Take the deep breath. Take the deep breath. Take the deep breath. Yes, gods and goddesses, all the great beings, with deep gratitude, with reverence and respect, with lots of love. Feel the divine energies from the gods and goddesses are coming down. Feel we are rooted up. हम उस परमात्मा से जुड़े हुए हैं. Feel we are rooted down, 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 down. Focus on your basic chakra. अपने बेसिक चक्रा पे ध्यान देंगे. Focus. Just root down. Let's balance the polar opposite. The crown, the spiritual connection with the basic. Focus on the basic chakra. Materialistic connection, the mother connection. Let's remove all the seeds of corruption. Focus both hands on your thighs facing palm facing downwards. Let's root down. Let's root down. All the corruption seeds are going down, 3 feet down, 10 feet down. Feel you are rooting down. There is a root going down deep into the Mother Earth. The destructive roots, non generosity roots, all the ancient seeds of poverty, unworthiness, all the negative elementals, negative entities, thought entities lies in our aura. All the negative thoughts, negative programmings that we have in our psychic radiatory field, root root down all forms of pain, sorrows, sufferings, root down, please root down all forms of pain, sorrows, sufferings, anger, irritation, frustration. Close your eyes, curl your tongue, feel you are rooted down, down, down. All forms of weakening thought forms, repeated thought forms, repeated words creating the low self esteem. Please root down lack of self confidence, सेंस ऑफ इनसिक्योरिटी प्लीज रूट डाउन करेंगे जितनी भी इनसिक्योरिटी है प्लीज रूट डाउन ऑल द हिंडर्स दैट यू are not getting the success, all the victimizing energies, negative thoughts planted into your chakras, all the negative programs. Release all the debilitating beliefs or emotions, particularly destructive behavior, abusiveness. Please root down all the abusiveness, all the addictions incent in your whole family. Addiction elementals, addiction entities, addiction of whiskey, beer, rum, vodka, all the negative elementals, entities, large salt addiction, sweet addiction, food addiction, रिलीज बहुत सारे लोगों को नेगेटिव एडिक्शंस होते हैं रिलीज ऑल द हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स वेयर एवर यू हैव पेन अपने पेन पे फोकस करें फोकस ऑन योर पेन रिलीज ऑल द पेन्स फ्रॉम योर बॉडी feel the pain is going down, 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 deep into the mother earth. Be neutralized, removed, completely transformed, transmuted, neutralized, and removed right now. All the accidental issues, all the injuries at the any kind of particular age, is particular age, all the heart attacks energies, dial functioning patterns wherever you have in your physical body, all the snobbish energies, chronical conditions, emotionally, spiritually, wherever they are, or mentally, physically, physical ailments, psychosomatic ailments, repeated injury on the left side of the body or the right side of the body, feeling stuck in your progress, wherever, feeling blocked, restlessness, please release the restlessness. Release. Feel you're releasing all the blocked energies, restless energies, generational illness, hereditary tendencies. Release the diabetic energies, blood pressure energies. Please release. Release all the blood pressure energies. Release करेंगे. Release all the wounds imprinted on your DNA. जितने भी दर्द हैं जो हमारे डीएनए में इम्प्रिंटेड है, I release. Enslaved energies, unable to live, unhealthy, unhealed, trauma energies. Say, I release. Focus on your trauma in your past time. Say, I release, I release, I release. Please release all these energies. Please release all these energies. Please release all these energies. Release all the stagnant, unresolved energies. Released. All the soul attachments, any attachment to your soul, physically, emotionally, mentally, psychologically, any kind of attachment, entities, elementals lodge onto your soul. Say, I release. Release any kind of being, rape, child molestation, release from your entire being. Say, I release. I released all the abnormal hearing voices, abnormal smells, suicidal tendencies, any kind of blockages in your system. Release all the cracks in my aura. Repeat mentally after me. All the cracks and holes in my aura, in my energy system, I release. I release all the snobbish thought forms, saying anyone is saying, say I'm stupid, uncultured, useless, or no one can trust on me. I release. Release, please, release, 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 release. Releasing is very important. Cleansing is very important. Whatever the thought disturbing you right now, feel you are rooted down, deep seated inferiority complex that you have taken at the age of 5 or the 10 or 15 or 20 or 25 or 30, 35, 40, 45, any of your age. Say, I release all the limited degree I created towards my success, towards my fame, towards my name. I release all the negative bombardments, any kind of repeated psychic bombardments. I release all the enslaving thoughts, enslavements energies, negative programmings, negative connections, emotionally, mentally, psychologically, sexually, financially, spiritually. I release any kind of detrimental psychological effect created by any of my parents, grandparents, from my teachers, from my friends, colleagues, neighbors. I release. Please release, release, release. Releasing is very important. Release any kind of fight, argument, heated exchange of words, violent energies, unprotected energies. Release. Release all the psychic pollutions from your spiritual connection. Release. Say, I am deeply rooted to the Mother Earth, connected to the Mother Earth. Hey, Mother Earth, please resolve, dissolve, dissipate, disintegrate all these entities, elementals, thoughts, emotions, all these pains, sorrow, suffering, stress, anger, irritations from my physical being, from my physical aura, emotional aura, mental aura, from my buddhic aura. I release from my causal body, higher causal body, celestial body, higher ethereal body. I release. All the cracks and holes be healed and be sealed. All the cracks and holes be healed and be sealed. Thank you, Supreme God. Thank you, 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 thank you. Thank you, everyone, for being in the session. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All the beings, thank you, thank you, thank you. Repeat after me. All the spiritual beings, thank you for healing me. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you for being with me. With thanks and in full faith, so be it, so be it, so be it. With thanks and in full faith, so be it, so be it, so be it. With thanks and in full faith, so be it, so be it, so be it. Say, I am deeply connected, shielded, protected at all the levels. I am deeply connected, shielded, protected at all the levels. I am deeply connected, protected, and shielded at all the levels. Thank you everyone for attending the session. I hope you liked the session. Please, everyone, subscribe, like, share the channel with your spouse, with your children, friends, families, in laws, your parents. Help everyone to get healed with these powerful aura purification techniques. Today we did the grounding technique. In this technique, we used to connect with our upper root and lower root, and through this rooting, grounding, we can heal all the emotional or whether physical, emotional, mental issues. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I salute the divinity in all of you. Thank you for being in the session. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Atma Namaste, everyone. Thank you. Hope you like the session. Please share your comments in the comment box. We will answer it. Okay. And your feelings, please share in the comment box. And show your gratitude in the comment. Thank you. Atma Namaste.